Are you ready to discover the legends and mysteries of the lost cities of the Amazon? Here are 10 lost cities in the Amazon jungle. Number 10. Pickles Tomb. In the heart of the Amazon jungle lies a mystery that intertwines the ancient Maya civilization with the dense rainforest of South America. Deep within the labyrinth of trees and undergrowth, some researchers speculate that clues to this enigma may be found in the tomb of Pickle the Great, a revered Maya ruler whose final resting place was discovered in Palenque, Mexico. Known for its intricate carvings and elaborate architecture, Pickle's tomb has long captivated archaeologists and historians alike. However, what raises eyebrows among scholars is the presence of iconography and symbolism reminiscent of Amazonian cultures within the tomb's decorations. While the prevailing narrative suggests that the Maya civilization was confined to the Yucatan Peninsula and parts of Central America, the notion of connections to the Amazon challenges this traditional understanding. Could Pickle, whose rule spanned from 615 to 683 AD, have had ties to a civilization deep within the Amazon rainforest? Some researchers speculate that trade routes or cultural exchanges may have facilitated contact between the Maya and Amazonian peoples, while others remain skeptical, citing the lack of concrete evidence. Nevertheless, the tantalizing possibility of a link between Pickle's tomb and the Amazon jungle continues to fuel scholarly debate and inspire further exploration. As researchers delve deeper into the mysteries of both the Maya civilization and the Amazon rainforest, the quest to uncover the truth behind Pickle's tomb remains an intriguing chapter in the ongoing story of human history. Number 9. The City of Gold of King El Dorado. Legend tells of a fabled city hidden within the depths of the Amazon jungle, shimmering with untold riches and known as the City of Gold of King El Dorado. For centuries, explorers and treasure seekers have been lured by tales of this mythical city, believing it to be the pinnacle of wealth and splendor. Spanish conquistadors, in their quest for gold and glory, embarked on expeditions into the uncharted wilderness of the Amazon in search of this legendary city, only to be met with disappointment and hardship. Despite numerous expeditions and countless legends, the City of Gold of King El Dorado has remained elusive, shrouded in mystery and speculation. Some skeptics argue that the legend of El Dorado is merely a myth, a product of exaggerated tales and wishful thinking, while others maintain that there may be some truth to the stories hidden deep within the impenetrable jungle. Regardless of its existence, the legend of the City of Gold of King El Dorado continues to capture the imagination of adventurers and historians alike, perpetuating the allure of the Amazon jungle as a realm of both treasure and mystery. Number 8. Ciudad Blanca. Ciudad Blanca, also known as the White City or the Lost City of the Monkey God, is a legendary settlement rumored to be hidden within the remote jungles of Honduras. This mythical city has captured the imagination of explorers and adventurers for centuries, with tales of its grandeur and wealth spreading far and wide. According to legend, Ciudad Blanca was said to be adorned with white stone buildings and temples, earning it the moniker White City. Its rumored existence has prompted numerous expeditions into the dense Honduran rainforest, each seeking to uncover the truth behind the myth. However, despite extensive searches and modern technologies such as LiDAR, light detection and ranging, mapping, which have revealed intriguing archaeological features beneath the jungle canopy, the exact location of Ciudad Blanca remains elusive. Skeptics argue that the legend of the White City may be based on misconceptions or misinterpretations of indigenous folklore, while others remain hopeful that further exploration may one day reveal the secrets hidden within the depths of the Honduran jungle. Regardless of its tangible existence, Ciudad Blanca continues to intrigue and mystify those drawn to the allure of lost cities and ancient civilizations in the Amazon jungle. Number 7. Somia. Somia is a concept proposed by anthropologist James C. Scott in his book The Art of Not Being Governed. It refers to a theoretical region encompassing parts of Southeast Asia, including the Amazon, where various ethnic groups have historically sought refuge from state control. Scott argues that these highland regions, characterized by rugged terrain and dense forests, served as havens for marginalized communities seeking to evade state domination and maintain their autonomy. Contrasting with the lowland civilizations of the surrounding areas, Somia is depicted as a landscape of resistance and cultural diversity, where communities have developed strategies to thrive outside the reach of centralized authority. While Somia itself is not a lost city in the traditional sense, it represents a unique perspective on the historical dynamics of the Amazon jungle and its role in shaping human societies. Number 6. City of the Monkey God. The City of the Monkey God is a legendary lost city rumored to exist in the remote jungles of Honduras. Also known as CAD Blanca, this mythical settlement has captured the imaginations of explorers and adventurers for centuries, with tales of its grandeur and wealth spreading far and wide. According to local folklore, the city was said to be inhabited by a civilization known as the White Indians, who worshipped a monkey god. The legend further claims that the city was abandoned centuries ago, buried beneath layers of jungle growth, and guarded by supernatural forces to deter intruders. In recent years, archaeological expeditions and advancements in technology, such as LiDAR, light detection and ranging, mapping, have sparked renewed interest in the search for the City of the Monkey God. While some tantalizing archaeological discoveries have been made in the Honduran jungle, including ancient ruins and artifacts, the exact location of Ciudad Blanca remains a subject of debate and speculation among researchers. Despite the challenges posed by the dense rainforest and rugged terrain, the allure of uncovering this legendary lost city continues to drive explorers to embark on expeditions into the depths of the Honduran wilderness. Number 5. AKAK. AKAK is a mythical lost city that gained attention in the 1970s through the writings of German author Karl Brugger. According to Brugger's accounts, AKAK was believed to be located deep within the Amazon rainforest and inhabited by a legendary race known as the Ugamongulala. Brugger claimed that the Ugamongulala possessed advanced technology and were ruled by a semi-divine leader named Tutunkanara. He described AKAK as a vast city with elaborate structures and a complex system of tunnels, purportedly built by an ancient civilization thousands of years ago. However, Brugger's accounts of AKAK have been widely criticized and dismissed by scholars as fabrications or distortions of indigenous myths and folklore. Despite extensive searches by explorers and researchers, no concrete evidence of AKAK's existence has ever been found. While the legend of AKAK continues to intrigue some, it remains a controversial and disputed aspect of Amazonian lore. Number 4. Kiku. Kiku is an ancient settlement located in the Brazilian Amazon that was discovered in 1999 by archaeologists using satellite imagery. This archaeological site consists of a network of interconnected villages and is believed to have been inhabited by a sophisticated society dating back over 1,000 years. Unlike many other lost cities in the Amazon jungle, Kiku has been supported by tangible archaeological evidence, including the remains of earthen mounds, causeways, and agricultural terraces. Research at Kiku has shed light on the social organization, agricultural practices, and environmental management strategies of its ancient inhabitants. Contrasting with the mythical and elusive nature of other lost cities, Kiku stands as a tangible reminder of the rich and complex history of human settlement in the Amazon rainforest. Number 3. Petiti. Petiti, often referred to as the Lost City of Gold or the El Dorado of the Amazon, is a legendary city rumored to be hidden deep within the dense rainforests of southeastern Peru or the surrounding areas of the Amazon basin. This mythical city has captured the imagination of explorers, treasure hunters, and historians for centuries, with tales of its immense wealth and splendor echoing through the annals of history. According to legend, Petiti is said to be adorned with gold and precious jewels, and its streets are rumored to be paved with silver. However, despite numerous expeditions and extensive searches by adventurers and archaeologists, the exact location of Petiti remains elusive, shrouded in mystery and speculation. Some believe that Petiti may have been a real settlement inhabited by an ancient civilization, while others dismiss it as a product of exaggerated myths and folklore. Despite the lack of concrete evidence, the allure of uncovering the legendary lost city of gold continues to fuel exploration and inspire fascination with the mysteries of the Amazon jungle. Number 2. Z. Z is the mysterious lost city that captured the imagination of British explorer Colonel Percy Fawcett in the early 20th century. Fawcett, inspired by ancient legends and his own belief in the existence of a hidden civilization, embarked on multiple expeditions into the uncharted depths of the Amazon jungle in search of this elusive city. His quest for Z became the stuff of legend, with Fawcett and his team vanishing without a trace during their final expedition in 1925. Despite numerous subsequent attempts to locate Fawcett and uncover the truth behind Z, no definitive evidence of the city's existence has ever been found. While some speculate that Z may have been a product of Fawcett's imagination or a misinterpretation of indigenous myths, others remain convinced that the lost city lies hidden somewhere within the vast and impenetrable wilderness of the Amazon rainforest. The mystery of Z continues to captivate adventurers and historians, symbolizing both the allure and the peril of exploration in one of the world's most enigmatic and inhospitable environments. Number 1. Marajora Culture Sites. The Marajora Culture Sites represent a significant archaeological discovery within the Amazon jungle. This ancient civilization flourished between approximately 800 AD and 1400 AD on Marajo Island, located at the mouth of the Amazon River in Brazil. The Marajora people built complex settlements characterized by large earthen mounds, ceremonial plazas, and intricate pottery. Their culture was notable for its elaborate ceramic artistry, featuring detailed designs and stylized representations of animals, humans, and mythical creatures. However, despite the cultural richness evidenced by the Marajora artifacts, their civilization abruptly declined around the 14th century for reasons still debated among scholars. Contrasting with the mythical lost cities often associated with the Amazon jungle, the Marajora culture sites offer tangible evidence of a thriving ancient civilization that once inhabited the region, providing valuable insights into the history and cultural diversity of the Amazon basin. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel to be informed about new videos.